Okay, so this is what I do normally when I get home. I come in, I put my stuff down, I change into my comfies, I put the door draft around the door, the curtain. This is Natalia from Ukraine, who's been vlogging since the first day. I've been watching her since then, because I have Ukrainian friends. So that is as loud as that gets. Let's go see if we can hear it in the bedroom. Bedroom door is open. That's my bedroom wall facing the living room. This one would be Max's. That's a painting I did. And this is my living room wall. Here's my lovely door curtain with the peephole that I can see through. It stops that nasty draft and it douses the noise of the fan. Yeah, so that's definitely that hallway fan. And she doesn't have hers on right now because she's been an awfully good girl. Yesterday wasn't so good. But she's acting the part, isn't she now? I never have anything on. She's making it all up, that lady downstairs, because she's just a nasty British bitch. And the C word. And maybe I should go back home to the UK if I don't like it. I've been told that before. And you can hear Anna from Ukraine talking, and we're at my front door. But I can also hear that goddamn hum. And at 2 o'clock in the morning, and at 3 o'clock in the morning, when it's been going hour after hour after hour, and it sounds 3 times as loud, I want you to disengage that fan from outside my apartment door, because you can do it, because there are other fans that are disengaged, and if they're broken, well, you can fix them and break mine for a while. Or you can have it on during the day and not all through the night when I'm trying to sleep, because that equates to harassment, noise torture. I had a granddad that was in the bloody SAS, for Christ's sakes, an Irish one. So don't tell me these aren't nasty little games you're playing, because they bloody well are. Fix it.